Kidsneed Laser Pen Review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So, the website Kidsneed.top appears to be a suspicious online store that markets products like laser pens, often through social media advertisements. It lacks transparency regarding its ownership and has a low trust score, raising concerns about its legitimacy. Now, their uses have hidden ownership, they also have low traffic, and they have shared hosting with suspicious sites, so take note of those. Now, for the pros though, it have an attractive pricing, so it offers products at seemingly low prices, which can be enticing to budget-conscious consumers. And it also has a wide product range, market various gadgets, including laser pens, appealing to different consumer interests. However, let's talk about the downside. It might have potential non-delivery reports, and they also have safety hazards, like it's sold online have been linked to serious eye injuries, and they lack of customer support. So they have reported difficulties in contacting customers first. And then, lastly, they have a lot of problems, including the obtaining refunds for faulty products. Now, in conclusion, given the red flags associated with KidsName.tab, including the hidden ownership, low site traffic, and shared hosting with other suspicious sites, it is advisable to exercise caution. So, if you want to use this app, make sure to research first whether it's not worth it or it may be a scam.